How to change Netflix payment method. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the Netflix payment method, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change a Netflix payment method, all you have to do is, we are not going to do it from our app, so we're going to open up our Safari browser or our Google Chrome browser, whether you're using Android or iOS. Go to netflix.com and log into your account. Now once you've done that, to begin changing our payment method, tap the three lines option that you can find here and then just go to this account option. Once you basically come to this account option, you should be able to see all these options where you'll be able to see your billing info as well. So now you can just tap on manage payment info here. You'll be able to see your current card details. Since we want to change our payment method, you can either edit the existing one or you can choose to add a new payment method here by tapping on that option, selecting credit or debit card in this case, and once you select those options, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add a new payment method in this case. Now once you've done that, you can set that payment method as your default one and then remove the old one. This way you'll be able to change payment method on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.